In this video, we're going to take a look at the Khan Academy Challenge, the Overflowing Ocean. And so what it wants us to do is, it says in the first step, style the div that has a class of info so that it takes up 70% of the width and is 200 pixels tall. And so they've already created put the selector in for .info. .info is the class of info, and they've already added a background color. So this is actually this area right here that has this real light blue color. So what I want to do is come in here and I want to do width colon space 70%, and you can see as soon as I did that, it took up less space over here on the screen and only took up 70% of the space, and 30% is over here is empty. So that's doing what I want there. And then I'm going to do height, and again, I don't think I spelled that right, and then space or colon and then space and then 200 px. Okay, so that's exactly what I wanted to do. It made it smaller. Okay, so see how the color changed? Now the text is actually overflowing outside of my blue there. So let's see here. Let's do scroll to the appropriate place. Next step, and it wants me now make it so the div cuts off the overflowing text and presents a scroll bar instead. Okay, so I need to do, I think it's called like overflow, and I really don't know what this is supposed to be, so I'm going to do Google search CSS text overflow and see what I get. So CSX text overflow property. Let's try, well, try it yourself. Let's see here. That's not what I want. I want it to be scroll bars. So let's do CSS overflow scroll. Maybe auto or scroll. So I can take that and let's just put scroll. It's better to use an auto value because it will only show the scroll bars when necessary, not all the time. Okay, so that's good to know. So that was kind of what I was thinking about, the auto part. So overflow is auto, and bam, look at that. So now it scrolls. I have scrolling inside of a scrolling inside of a scrolling. So that is what they wanted me to do. Text overflow auto. So next step, and what is it telling me to do? In the last step, write a CSS rule for the pick class that resizes the image to take up the same width as the text. Okay, so inside my style tag, I need to make a new class, and a class always starts with a dot, and the class, they gave me the name of the class is pick, and right here, and then I need to do my curly brackets, enter. It automatically added the ending curly bracket. I'm going to do width colon space 70%, and it automatically added my semicolon to the end, and great job. So now the width, see the width of the picture is the same width as my text. Finish challenge. That's it. Thank you.